Okay, Jerry, what I'm going to show you here is what we have well, some of the stuff we have. That's the ProCab controller, which I'll have to get you one of those. This is the unit here, 5 amps that I have. It's called a SMART Booster, NCE SB5 SMART Booster. And that's right there is a power supply to drive that unit. It's a P514 power supply. I just have this, the green plug right here is a track bus, and that goes to the track wire, and I have it hooked up here through jumper cables to my track that I use for my power cab, and this is kind of a program track and stuff. Dash track we use here at the railroad. I have that engine hooked up through this controller. Now this controller is set on cab 3. You can run 4 controllers on this unit. 2 cabs 2, 3, 4, and 5. Like I said, this is limited capabilities as far as overall functioning, but all the things that NCE has, all the little play toys, including connections to the internet. I think I'm not totally sure on this unit, but you can do them all. It's just very limited what you can do. There's restrictions because it's scaled down. Everything's scaled down thing. But I think this would work good for you because it's 5 amps. It's that power cab right there, which it's got the same chip, 1.65 in it, but it's only 2 amps. So you're kind of better off here. I'll give you the prices on all this stuff, so you'll know. Now, one thing I got to tell you is to connect this wire right here, you have to go into your system and make sure any DC connections, power supplies, or anything are completely disconnected and removed from the railroad. DC into this system will fry it. So you can't do dual. People have put in switches and stuff to try to do dual and inevitably end up with a disaster on their hands. So, take the DC out completely and don't reconnect it to your layout. Strictly go with one connection right to the DCC. Now, I would also put a circuit breaker, an SB1 on here, and we'll discuss that. I have one in the drawer over here. But anyway, this is it. So you can quickly see we run the train here. All the bells and whistles. Turn the lights off and on. So that's what you're looking for. And like I said, this will give you the capability of running just about anything on your layout. And with the size of your layout, you would lose a little voltage with all the wiring. But with 5 amps, you won't have that problem. That's more than enough to run all the engines you got and power up that layout. So this is it.